The financial service firm, Avendus Capital, discusses the evolved paradigm of the warehousing industry.
There's a big theme which is getting played out in India, where things are being moving from an unorganized to organized sector. There is a major overhaul which has happened now post GST. People have the flexibility to redesign their supply chains as per the best suited for them from an efficiency perspective, from a cost perspective. Second big thing which we are seeing is in front-end consolidation, which in India was restricted primarily on account of the retail was never allowed to consolidate in this country. E-commerce kind of has become an aberration to that, and with more and more market share they are grabbing, the front-end consolidation, which has been driven by a few brands like an Amazon or a Flipkart, to name a few, is also driving this trend of kind of having a more consolidated sorting places or a distribution place for them. This market was getting funded predominantly by an inorganic or local players, and you would see most of the warehousing spaces, there were no organized players who were providing these facilities. With all this looming changes which was expected to happen, and the successes people saw in markets which are running 10 to 15 years ahead of us, like Singapore, China, Australia, Japan, US, developed markets. Those players saw this opportunity coming in India and have set up shop. So what is happening is now you have capital availability and skill sets and companies which have come in play who want to kind of be the asset providers. So that is also becoming very important, because they are now able to kind of plan, execute a good quality spaces which are fully compliant, which are made as per the plans on what the customers require. What we are seeing is with COVID and also with the liquidity, global liquidity in the market, there has been a preference by financial investors for warehousing as an asset class. We have more well organized and players in the industry which are better capitalized and have the patience capital which is required to build out larger facilities for long term. Getting the land available, right, for doing this development, a typical development cycle lasts from 2 to 3 years. Getting the right land parcels in the right location at the right price, I believe that is the key driver for the industry and a limiting factor right now. If government can make available cost-effective land at the right location, it will probably give an impetus and probably fast-track the conversion of unorganized to organized sector for logistics, real estate, and maybe fast-track the whole growth for the industry.